and you become a brand, not a person, right? Or you become an account. That's how they refer to people on X, formerly known as Twitter. Oh, that's an account. And I say, no, but that's what happens. You lose your humanity and you're no longer humanity. You're more like a cyborg, or you're living in an augmented reality of social media where you, whoever you are, doesn't exist. And you're engaging in some kind of performative dance for a mob of people who don't necessarily have your best interests in mind,